Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Belinda here from Visualised NZ. I just want to introduce you to my annual Christmas series, December Days. It sounds funny saying that because I started it last year and this is the second year, but I intend it to be an annual thing that I hope to do every year. So you may have heard of December Daily, which has been around for quite a long time. This is that, but my version of it. Okay, so if you're already doing a December daily, then that's all good. But if you're interested, if you want to play along, if you just want to mix it up a little bit, then let me introduce you to this year's December daily. I am running it slightly different to I did last year. So here we have a printable sheet of prompts. There's 2 sheets in the set to do the full month of December. I know some people only do up to Christmas Day, and that is fine. You do whatever you like, but I have accounted for the whole of the month plus a few extras, and that's where I'm differing a little bit this year. This year I haven't set excuse me, I haven't set a prompt for a specific day. I'm providing prompts that you can use in whatever order you like, whatever suits you. So if, say for example, party time, if I set that for, say, the 5th of December, you might not have anything to write or to do with that on the 5th of December. But say you're having an after-work party on the, 18th of December, then you might choose to use that on that day instead. So I've made it very flexible, just prompts that many of them can be taken in multiple ways, and I've tried to include a few non-Christmassy or ones that could be used for non-Christmassy for those who don't actually celebrate Christmas, that you might still be able to find some prompts in here that you can use. So let me run through them quickly. Christmas is coming, well, self-explanatory. A festive menu, not necessarily Christmas, it could be whatever you're celebrating. Checking the list twice. Holiday tunes, party time, Secret Santa, obviously that is more a Christmas related one, stocking fillers, only at Christmas. So these can be interpreted however you like. So it might be something you only do at Christmas, or something that you see only at Christmas, some sort of funny thing that you're just like, well, that's only at Christmas, isn't it? Interpret how you like. On the Christmas watch list, so it might be movies or TV programs or YouTube, whatever. Wrapping up, again, it could be wrapping presents, it could be wrapping the year up, it could be wrapping up work, wrapping up something. Around the table, holiday cheer, spreading kindness, baubles, bubbles, or both, a little Grinch, magical moments, celebrating Jesus, to queue or not to queue, and that is kind of my little play on, the crazy shopping at Christmas. It's like, do you choose to shop online? Do you choose to go and wait in the queues? Do you choose times when there's no queues? I don't know whether people find that useful or not, but I thought it was just a little something different. December romance, Christmas Day at, a jolly to-do list, around the Christmas tree, family snaps, handmade with love, festive finances. I thought, yeah, let's throw in a little bit of reality check there. Festive finances, adventful, so like advent calendar, it's tradition, sunshine or snowshine, and that's a little thing to bring in both hemispheres, whether you have a winter or a summer December. Leftovers, so what's left over after Christmas Day or whatever, might be the leftover wrapping paper. Quiet reflections, joyful sounds, candles of remembrance, Santa snacks, elf alert, cracker jokes, and happy birthday, because there's people who have birthdays in December, so you might use that. You could also use it for Christmas Day if you honour Christmas as being representative of the birth of Jesus, then you could use happy birthday in lieu of Merry Christmas. So there's the prompts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18 per page. Okay, so plenty of options there to do the whole 31 days with, you can pick and choose on the odd day here and there. Now to go with this, I am currently creating a Christmas kit. Yeah, last minute and all that. The main kit I have finished, so the journal page kit I have finished, but I haven't got it listed on Etsy yet. The whole kit, the whole December Days kit is going to be free for my patrons. That's my little gift to them for supporting me this year. But it will also be listed on Etsy. I haven't got it up yet, maybe by the end of the day that I'm recording this, so it might be up by the time this video airs, I hope. But I've got to take my friend to the airport today, and she's due here in just under half an hour. So I haven't got all the pages of the journal page kit printed out. These are my test pages, but it will give you a feel for the kit. I've done 10 designs twice. So each design has a lined version where it's got writing lines on it and a non-lined version. So some of these are the lined version, some are the unlined. So this one is a lined version with strings of lights and a beautiful Christmassy background. This is the lined version of the poinsettia page. Most of these are actually the lined version. Lined version with holly berries and little bows. Hopefully you can see these okay. I'm just doing a quick flick through because it's not complete, not the complete kit. This is an unlined version of these cute birds, and it says Season's Blessings down here on the banner. Just love that blue. It's generally a red and green kit, and then I've got pops of blue through it as well. These unlined version of the Christmas deer and the bottom of a wreath. So cute. I've got to put animals in. Like I just can't do it without animals. Then we've got these two cute elves on a lined version. Lined version again, and Christmas baubles. So I think that's going to be just so cute. And the deer, let me just grab that back. This would be really nice as a central page in your signature, so you can see it all, but equally would be fine folded in half so you only see one side at a time. And same with this one, it's a Christmas train, again the lined version. So you could have it in the center, or you could, there's a few options for the center, or have it in half, you know, and it still looks cute. This one would also be beautiful in the middle of your signature. Beautiful Christmas tree with stars around it. Love the colours in this. I think it's so pretty. But again, in half would work equally as well. So holly and berries on this page. Lined version. And then I have an additional 6 pages that are kind of more background pages, not feature pages like those other 10. They come in 3 designs, and each design in 2 different colours. So this one is more blue with some pops of red that kind of give it a purpley vibe. I'm not mad about purple in a Christmas journal. I think, you know, that fits with the blue. That's the same page in sort of orange, yellow, reds, kind of in that sort of vibe. So if you see those side by side, I did actually flip the design for this one, so that the design is slightly different, but essentially the same. This one is yellows and reds, and then we've got it in blues and kind of a tealy, greeny, yellowy, I don't know. Depends on your printer too, how it's actually going to print out. So there's those 2. Oops, came apart there. And then the final 2 pages is this design, and I've done it in green and yellow. So those are the writing pages, or tear them up for collage, or make paper bags, whatever out of them. So in that kit in total, there are 26 journal pages. It's quite a lot. I think it's the most I've done. And I think a lot of them you know, will be usable outside of Christmas, not necessarily part of Christmas. Don't you think? I mean, obviously these patterned ones are Christmas, but these ones could be used anytime. So, as I said, I'm hoping to have this kit listed by the time this video goes to air. If it's not, please be patient. I'm just under quite a lot of time pressure at the moment with extraneous things happening. But it's all good. It will get done. The ephemera kit I am still putting together. I have done fussy cuts and I'm just working through the ephemera part, I think I've just got pockets left to do. So again, hopefully it will be up by the time this video airs. I'll do a proper flip through of everything when I've got a bit more time. So watch out for that video if you want to take a better look before committing to a purchase. It is the printables, so both parts of the kit will be the free printables for my Patreon people this December. So if you were thinking about supporting me on Patreon, maybe now's the time to jump in, or yeah, this kit here is already up on Patreon. I've put it up early. So now might be the time to jump in if you ever thought about supporting me on Patreon, and then you could grab the kits for free. So just a little plug there, if that's, you know, if that had ever been sort of crossed your mind and you were just, you know, thinking one day, just maybe that one day is now. So there we go, December days. It will be running through my Facebook group, Visual Vibes. So if you haven't been to visit, please come over and say hello. I'd love to say hi. And we'll be sharing what we've been doing for the prompts on there. I will also be sharing on Instagram. So connect with me there if you don't follow me on Instagram and you would like to do that. Multiple ways you can connect with me. But I'm really loving the developing community we've got in the Facebook group. It's really starting to pick up a little bit of steam, getting a few more people in. And we've got some fun activities, fun freebies. There will also be more freebies. So this list of prompts will be free when I get it listed on my Facebook group. But there will be additional freebies coming that will partner with this kit. I just have to finish the kits first before I move on to the freebies. So there we have it, people. I'm sorry this is a very short video today. I've probably just been rabbiting on really quickly. Just conscious of time moving on, and I've still got a lot I want to do before my friend arrives in half an hour, and on the kit, so it's ready to list. So I'll leave it there for today. You have time now to go watch another video somewhere else, or watch another on my channel that maybe you haven't caught up with yet. Thanks for joining me, my friends. Take care. I will be back tomorrow, hopefully with another crafting video. That's what I'm planning anyway. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.